On Scada tab of Comms, the first thing you can see is the overall design of the system, or design of the PID diagram that you draw under the Setup tab. To see the actual live data, you can press the Live button in the left top corner. Live mode is available for devices, owners, or experts. When you click the Live button, it'll show you almost real-time data with 1 second to 5 second sample rate and can be viewed for up to 5 minutes at once. Clicking the button turns it green, and after some time, you will see the values start changing. You can see the values changing now. If you want to turn live mode off, you can turn it off by clicking the button again. After being turned off, the values shown are the last recorded values. Refreshing the site will show me the latest value that is recorded when you click on it. On the left side, you can see your main key performance indicators like system efficiency, pressure, specific power, flow, and current power draw. Last tab is System Health, where you can check if your devices are online or offline. You can also check all the alerts in the system, and you also get upcoming maintenance notifications. Next to it is a list of Scada notifications, so latest alarms, alerts, or anything that happens in the system will be shown below here automatically, so you can check it out. Clicking the button next to the alert means you acknowledge it and will be removed from this list. But it will still be shown under Alert Logs tab. In Scada View, you can zoom in and out for better visibility. Zooming in, you can see if the compressor is loaded or unloaded. Below, you have the last values. Clicking Live Mode will update the values to latest, the recorded ones. If you click on the device, you get a more detailed view of the compressor. So total, running hours, loaded hours, and hours until next service. Also included is a pie chart which shows the ratio of time running loaded versus unloaded for this compressor. On the top side, you can see general information like the brand, the tag, model, and year of manufacturing. You can also see how the compressor looks on this picture. Below are shown all recorded channels like running, flow, power, whether it is loaded, and alerts for each, if there are any. If I click on X, I can also check any other compressor I may like and see the desired values. If there are any measuring equipment installed, like flow or pressure, you can also see their values here. Also shown is the animation of how the actual air flows through the pipes. The values, like I said, do not refresh until you click Live Mode. If for some reason the compressor was in alarm, you can actually zoom in and you could see compressor light that is now flashing blue, which means it's loaded. It would be red. The same goes for any other monitored equipment, like the comms device that you have activated. You can see it's online and working, shown here by the blue light. On the left side, you can click the button next to each value to see the chart. If I want to know what system efficiency means in columns, I can click on the question mark here, and I can read it out and learn that calculations are done based on the system isotropic efficiency, which means we are comparing you to best in class. Also, your efficiency value is colored by the color of class your system efficiency is currently in. Clicking the X hides this info. You can also go directly to the system dashboard from Scada by clicking the button in the top right corner. Back on Scada tab, let's check out graphs or charts, which you can see for each KPI value shown here. For example, if I wanted to see what is the system-specific power been like over a time period, I can click on it and it will actually pop up and jump to Result tab, where I can keep track of my KPIs in more detailed look. If I go back to Scada, that is what I can see for any other channel recorded like the system flow. You can change the desired time period in the top left.